Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are filming our first Christmas video for 2019, a Christmas wishlist video, and I've never filmed one of these before. I've been watching these videos for the past 2 weeks now. I had no idea what to even ask for. So I came up with a pretty long list. I don't even know if you can tell since the lighting is pretty harsh. So most of these items are on my Amazon wish list. I order way too much stuff on Amazon. Kind of organize my wish list into categories. Hi, babe.
Hey, are you home?
Am I home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you?
In my room.
Oh, okay.
So the first item on my wish list is the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the color silver. I do not need this phone, but I want this phone. I just want it for the camera quality. I don't really like the 3-camera look though. The next thing are the Airpods Pro. They're the newest model that have the little jelly earbuds on them, which I personally prefer. My boyfriend prefers the ones without it, but I really want these. So the next thing is just a portable Bluetooth speaker. So the next thing on the list is the Canon G7x. Every YouTuber has this camera. It's the perfect like vlogging camera and just to take with you type of camera. Definitely something I don't need. It's just something I'd love to have. I'll definitely save up for that in the future. The next thing on the list is a blue Yeti like microphone for voiceovers and filming and stuff like that. It's definitely something I don't need now. I would definitely love to have that in the future to improve my quality for my videos. So the next thing is the Sigma 30mm 1.4 lens. The quality looks bomb. I've been wanting this lens for a very long time, but it's around $400, so I haven't splurged on that yet. Now I'm a broke-ass college student and should stop spending money. So the next thing I actually do need, this is the Anker white wireless charger. You literally just set your phone on it and it charges, like no cords, you don't have to plug it in. I definitely need this next to my bed. I can just set my phone and it'll charge. So the next thing on my list is a portable external hard drive, preferably like a 2T one that holds a ton of photos and videos. It would be very useful, especially to store my YouTube videos and to store all the photos I take. So the next thing on my wish list, I can admit that I do not need this whatsoever, but it's just something I want, is an Apple Watch. You get all of your notifications on the watch, which would be very helpful for me since I do forget to respond to text messages sometimes and I don't necessarily look at my phone all the time when I'm at work, so it'd be very helpful to just know when I receive notifications. So the last thing I have in my electronics category is a laptop stand. It just kind of looks like this. You can just set your laptop on it, and I think it would just be so much easier to like do homework, watch movies, edit videos. So the next category, the more fun category for me, is beauty. So the first thing is the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. It looks gorgeous. Even though I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, I really want this one. I do think I'd get a ton of use out of it, and I love Tati, so I just want to support her. So the next thing is the Glossier Clear Lip Gloss. I've heard so many people talking about this brand, and I've been wanting to try out their lip glosses for a while now. So the next thing on my list are just makeup brushes, preferably Sigma brushes, since I've heard they are such good quality and last for years. The next thing is the Sigma Pink Cleaning Brush Mat. The next thing is the Colourpop Rainbow Palette. I believe it's called She's a Rainbow, and I've been wanting this palette for quite some time. I really love Colourpop eyeshadows. They're super pigmented, and like I said, I do not need any more palettes, but I really want this one. So the next thing is the Carli Bybel, the ABH palette, the one that just came out. I love Carli. I've been watching her videos for quite some time. And I do have her BH Cosmetics palette. I got a lot of use out of this one. So the next thing on the list is the new Jaclyn Hill highlight palettes. I think the lighter palette is the Flash palette, which is the one obviously I'd get since I'm as white as this background. So I did get her Morphe palette, which I absolutely love, and I should pick up a new one. This is definitely expired. Patricia Bright just came out with Makeup Revolution palettes. The first one is called Rich in Color and the other one is Rich in Life, and I want both of them. Everyone's been raving about these. The pigment looks amazing, just everything looks amazing. But if I did have to pick one, I'd probably pick the Rich in Color, to be honest, since I just want to add more color in my collection. I feel like most of my palettes are neutral, so I would prefer to get the colorful one over the neutral one, but I do want both of them. And I'd also want to try out the face palette as a blush, a contour shade, and a highlight. So the next thing is the Violet Voss, the Ride or Die palette. This palette is huge and all of the shades look perfect for me. It's mainly neutrals and there's a ton of pinks that I definitely use. So I think this is the last beauty related product, and it is the Glam Glow Mask Set. So the next category are shoes. I know all of my friends are probably rolling their eyes since they've seen how extensive my shoe collection is, but I need these. So the first pair I really want are the hot pink high-rise Vans. I couldn't find them on their website, so I'm not sure if it's just like a limited edition thing, and I really do hope they come back in the future. Pink is just my favorite color and I definitely would get a lot of use out of them. And I also want the basic black high top Vans. So the next item are the white checkerboard slip-on Vans. They look really comfortable, and since they're white they go with pretty much any outfit. So the next pair I really want are just basic white Air Force Ones. I've been debating between just the regular ones and the Sage Low ones, where it looks like the bottom is just a little bit thicker on those. So I'm not sure which pair I'm going to necessarily end up buying, but I've been wanting just a basic white pair for so long. The next pairs are just custom Air Force Ones. I really like the blue butterfly ones and also the reflective butterfly ones. So the last pair are just a pair of pink Uggs. I don't have any like pink winter boots, and I know I don't need any pink winter boots, but I also don't own a pair of Uggs, so if I did get a pair of Uggs, it would be the pink ones. So the last category is just kind of random items. So the first random item is a Louis Vuitton wallet. I know they are super expensive, but I've just been wanting like a high-end wallet and a purse for so long. I haven't really decided on the exact style or anything. So the next thing on the list are just some velvet scrunchies. They're my favorite. Just really like how the velvet looks and they're very comfortable. The next thing are just clear organizers. I use them to organize my makeup and just school supplies, and they're just very useful to have. The next thing is an LED gel nail lamp. I've been wanting to get one for quite some time. I just think the lamp would be very useful, especially since I'm super impatient, especially when it comes to painting my nails. So I think the lamp will really help me and motivate me to actually paint my nails. So the next thing I want is a clear acrylic nail polish organizer. It just looks like this. I think I'd put it in my closet right now since I don't really have any wall space or anywhere to put it. But I think it would just be very useful to organize my nail polish, since right now it's just kind of in a basket on the floor right now, and I think it would just be a cute way to kind of display them and add something to my room. The next thing is just a clear 15-inch MacBook Pro case for my laptop. If I do want to put stickers on it, I'd rather put it on the case than my laptop. I pretty much want all of Tana Mojo's merch. I really want the canceled hoodie, the sweats, and also the Scandalous sports bra and the leggings. I normally don't buy merch, but her merch is super cute and it's stuff I'd wear on a regular basis. The next thing is the OtterBox Stardust phone case. I did have that. This was the first case on my phone, and as we can tell, it's super discolored, and I don't know, it just kind of like warped here where the button like sticks out. And I don't know, I just really need a new one. So the next thing on the list is just the blue butterfly phone case that was on Drip Creation. So my memory card ran out of storage, so sorry if I just screwed up the angle and everything. I don't even know how I screwed it up. Okay. Oh, That's okay, whatever. The next thing is a skincare fridge. I think it would be very useful to just kind of keep all of your skincare in the same place. And I've heard the benefits of refrigerating your skincare products and everything. I'd probably get one when I have an apartment of my own, because right now I'd probably have to like leave it in my bedroom or something. So the next thing is a spa towel. So I was watching someone's video and they were talking about a spa towel and just like how it kind of snaps around you. I really want a towel that just kind of like snaps around you and stays in place and doesn't move around or fall or anything. So the last item is just a soft bathrobe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next video.
If I minimize my net worth, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than two. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now, I'm on the way.